Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn about pedagogy MCQs. It is our lesson 1. Pedagogy is the study of education, teaching methods, learning process or guiding students. So here the correct option is teaching methods. In pedagogy, computer is used to motivate the learner, to provide feedback, to interact with the learner. So here the answer is all of above because we use all these. Most important work of teacher is to organize the teaching work. You can look at the options by yourself. I cannot read all the options just because the video become very lengthy. Next we have the word pedagogy means to lead the child. Teachers should present information to the students clearly and interesting way and relate this new information to things student don't know, students don't know, or students already know, or students willing to know. Definitely students already know. If you link your lesson with those things which students already know, it will be easy for the students to understand them. Next we have the field of study concerned with the construction of thoughts processes including remembering, problem solving and decision making is called cognitive development. The more parts of your brain you see, the more likely you are to dash information. You are retain information, okay? The process of reasoning from one or more given statement to reach a logically certain conclusion is called deductive reasoning. Education is a process in which knowledge and skills are transferred from few persons to the next generation. Okay, here the correct option is from few persons to the next generation. A priori knowledge is knowledge that is known independently of experience. The philosopher who for the first time mentioned the importance of play sport in education was Aristotle. Who introduced first sport in education? Aristotle introduced very first time. The idea of practical learning means education should apply to the real world. The concept of parallelism in education means school curricula should focus on what? Everlasting. Progressivism believes that education comes from the experience of the child. Progressive is belief that child learn in community. Child learns through community in his community. A normal human being has dash senses. Definitely we have 5 senses. The idea of teaching the whole child in the philosophy of pragmatism in education means teaching students to be good citizens. Which form of the following not among the 5 senses? Thoughts. The curriculum of educational institutes should be based on theory and practice. Both are very important. The application of ideas, knowledge and skills to achieve the desired result. Okay, if you look at the above options, theory and practice, theory, practice and research. So research comes under practice. Practicing means researching something, so don't be confused in between. Theory and practice is correct option here. Okay, the application of ideas, knowledge and skills to achieve the desired result is called critical thinking, problem solving, deductive method. What the correct option is? Problem solving. So it was the first lesson about pedagogy MCQs. See you in the next lesson. Tata, bye bye.